Alright, so now in this video what we're going to discuss are the different tender types, cash and charge, and then the people that use split tender where they want to use cash and charge. So we need to bring a couple of items. Remember, this is a buy one get one free. So you're going to ring one, but you would bag the two. Alright, so now let's say that I'm all the way done with this transaction. When you're done ringing, you just hit the subtotal button. And it shows you right here, the subtotal is $50.11. That's with tax. So say someone gives me 3 20s, so $60. You would type in over here, you never use the decimal point, so you would type in 60 and the 00. That shows up as $60. You hit the amount tender total button, which is also considered a cash button, and it will pop up in your drawer. It will also tell you how much change to give to the customer. So that's all you have to do for a cash transaction. Now let's say someone has a credit card transaction. So you ring them up, and then say they want to pay by credit card. So what you're going to do is you hit the subtotal button. Do not hit the charge button yet. When someone gives you a credit card, what you're going to do is you are actually going to check to make sure that their ID is the same name on the ID as it is on their actual credit card. If it's not, do not accept it. So let's say, for example, everything matches, their ID matches their credit card, and you swipe the card. If it doesn't go through, you don't do anything. You just figure out, you just ask them if there was another method of payment that they would like to use. If it does go through and, prints out the receipt, while it's printing out the customer's receipt, then what you can do over here in the meantime is go ahead and hit the charge button, which is right there. And then that will show up on your register as if that was a charge. Okay. So now, let's say that somebody wants to split the tender. By a split tender, what I'm talking about is someone wants to pay part cash and part charge. And this does happen quite a bit because, people, they don't want all that money on their credit card, but then they don't want to give you all their cash at the same time. So let's say, for example, as soon as you're done ringing, again, you hit the subtotal button. So now let's say, for example, the total is $71.76. So they have a $20 bill on them, so they want to go ahead and give you that in cash. So you ring up the $20 without using the decimal point. See, it shows $20. And you hit amount tender total. Like I said, that button also is the cash button. Once you hit that $20 and the amount tender total, it shows you that the new amount that's due is $51.76. Again, you make sure the ID matches the credit card, and as long as it goes through the credit card machine, then you can go ahead and hit charge. If it doesn't go through and it's declined, ask them again for another method of payment. So for this example, we'll assume it went through. We hit the charge button. So as you see right here on the receipt, it shows they gave $20 in cash and the rest is charge.